Welcome back to part 2 of Farming for the Horse. I had somebody ask me about the sprinklers. I don't know, I think it's just preference. Do I want to spend a little bit more money, not have to water my plants faster? Or do I want to water the crap out of my garden a lot longer? It would have been a lot longer. Just to get that one big sprinkler. When I could have had 4 little sprinklers going. I don't know, that's just the way I saw it. 4 little sprinklers, big area, 600 each, as opposed to that, what it was, at least 3,000, I think it was, for a while since I've looked. To me, it just seemed like the cheapest and the most efficient route at first. Honestly, I don't even know why the bigger ones are in the game. Kind of like the farm hands for picking the crops. You don't really make any money, they kind of just stay right where you're at, or you might even lose money. Get some seeds. Alright, and then harvest the rest. It's got 3 dragons on it. Oh, it's a Hydra. Puddles the Hydra versus the Unicorn Hat. I wish the blocks were easier to see. My eyes are old. Kind of just try to go from the one side of it to the other side of it a couple times at least, and it usually gets it all. That way you don't have to actually look at the blocks. I don't even have mine. I don't know what to do about that. Can't just friend everybody. Not too sure. Well, something on this shoulder here says do it, and then this one over here says don't for some reason. We'll try it and see what happens. Alright, Puddles. Puddles the Hydra. This guy's getting awfully close to my space. Bruh. Bruh, back off. Bruh. Angle in your hand, dog. Bruh. No. They're one person shoes only. Great, I have a stalker. Gotta pay Farmhand Jeb. Jeb. That's a name, Jeb. I like Puddles better. Puddles the Hydra. should be planting some of his own veggies, or of the such. I wonder if Puddle stands for peeing himself. No Puddles. This dude just wants to chill. He wants to make sure he's in the shot. That's what it is. Bruh. You're in the shot. So my keyboard's not here, it's over here. So I have to look to get myself centered onto it. I definitely wish there was something fun to do while you watched your digital crops grow. He has a bunny. Oh. On his shoulder. Must be in real life. Tell me about the bunny named Puddles, sir. I can't type. I cannot. Damn, he's all trying to hold my hand. I wonder if this keeps going, will I have a train of followers? They'll just be hand in hand? Oh, no, they'll all be connected to my hand. Sprinkler righted. Fell off the sprinkler. Minus 100 points. Penalty. Hey. 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 No. Mr. Corn. That's why I like sprinklers and irrigation. It stays purdy the whole time. Yuck. Well, now it's pretty. Cow riding? Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Gotta make sure I get some seeds every time. Maybe I'll do an hour part 2 instead of just a half hour. What did I make? Probably 7,000 money. We'll go with dollars because that's the dollar sign. So we'll say $7,000. About 8,000 now. I'm not sure what I started with. 50, 51. Well, that's why I bought you the backpack, Smelly Man. Come on now. It's not very fair. $1,500. The only farmhand that's worth anything, right there. The $500 one. 500. He doesn't need to go a smidgen faster for $500 more. It's just insane. Smelly Man, you need to fix that. Fix it, bruh. I want to hire farmhands for my fields. Can't do that because they don't make money. I think I spelled that right. I don't even know. Help! I'm helpless. I think they do it to try to be annoying. To try to get that. Well, and that. Yes. It's a big orange man. Where's that brown? I can't tell. Who's orange? That is orange. Creeper Slayer. Shut up, Smelly. Smolly. No Schnolden today. You should be able to walk through the cows. Why do the cows and the dog have collision? Things would go faster too. They wouldn't get stuck like that. Like that. They wouldn't get stuck. If they could just go through each other. Hi, pardon me, sir. Hi. Look, stuck. Stupid cow. Dude. He must be thirsty. He's trying to jump and drown himself in the well. I can't do it. I changed my mind, he said. I'll pet you. Here, come back. See? Again. What's with this jumping stuff? I think it's just going to be a half hour today. Might do two parts today. Whoops, seeds. I will be live streaming soon. My YouTube account is new, so I had to wait 24 hours before I could do anything. So I figured I'd record some videos. Alright guys, see you next time.